Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Leslie and today I want to do a plan with me. First, what we want to do is look through my past weeks that I hadn't filled out or even done the planning pages. So let's just move everything over. We've had a little bit of construction going on in the craft room. Got some updates coming for you soon. So everything's a little off for a moment. No problem. Alright, so this was the first week of September. I just took the book from Temu that I got last year that has these itty bitty stickers and just placed them around. This is the one you saw me do last Sunday on the 7th. And now we're going to do the 15th through the 21st. I was out of work actually these past 2 days. I don't know. I think my body just gives out. And, you know, I try to overdo it, and then I make myself sick because I don't eat. My son's always like, why do you kill yourself to do things? Like, take a break, eat, nope, can't do that. Gotta push through till it's all done. It's a problem. But it'll all be worked out in the end. So for this spread, I wanted to do another fall theme, but I wanted to use this fall book that I got on clearance a couple of years ago. I've even got some really old Happy Planner fall items. I think I want to go with the more neutral because we're not quite ready for sweaters and things. Maybe I could have an animal theme. We don't know. It's not quite sweater weather here yet, though. So I think I just want to go a little bit more neutral. And just use something like this. And we're not even going to pre-plan. No, we're just going to put it down. I hope that you all have had a wonderful week. I appreciate each and every one of you that have subscribed and waited patiently for another video. Sometimes my body just needs to rest. And I'm thankful for those of you that just get it. You understand, you're patient, you wait, and it just makes me happy. Okay. I love these stickers. It took me forever to be able to use them because we like them. We'll put that there. Then I thought about maybe using these smaller ones. Right there. Let's see what else we have. This one. No rhyme, no reason, just putting stickers down, not overthinking it, just letting it be whatever it wants to be. Alright, I'm going to add some lines to this one. I don't know if we have any kind of quotes. Oh, we do have these. Then it would be too much. Yeah, I don't think I want to do all of that. Joy is the beauty that blooms from a heart of gratitude. We can put that right over here. And then on this side we'll need a quote. Slow down and enjoy the moment. That's what I need to do. That's great. All right. So we will do as Elise taught us and white out the line because we do not like lines going through our quotes. And we'll just lay that down crooked. It's fine. Everything is fine. I don't think this one, well, we have that one. That will not go with my theme. Maybe we could use this one. No, we'll use this one. It's a little bit closer. And we'll even bring it down a little bit. And we'll white out this line. And we'll put one sticker here. And looks like I'm running out, but we could always turn it upside down. Put that one there. I'm just trying to cover up the line that's going. And now to date it. Oh, I do have my wrong girls. Do we want to put a wrong girl in there? This is summer. We need fall. We can put these two fabulous ladies in there. Because they're awesome. And that's it. Alright, let's date it. And then we're done. See what happens when I don't overthink? That is so fantastic. Alright, let me grab my numbers. And we will date it. Okay, well, with the construction of the craft room, we can't find that, so we're just going to date it with a pen. Monday will be the 15th. And that's it. Short and sweet. That's your video for this Sunday. Look forward to a couple of hauls coming up this week and a craft maybe, or the craft room reveal. I don't know. I've been doing a lot of taping behind the scenes other than the 2 days I was down, so yeah, we have plenty of stuff in the batting cage ready to be called up on the field. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for joining me. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Leslie. I have everything on this channel from planning to cleaning to cooking to crafting. Everything, a little bit of everything. So definitely be sure to check out my various playlists, see what kind of items you like to watch. I do want to give an update on my states. We have filled in everything except for Hawaii. So everything here has been filled in. I got Alaska. We're just waiting on Hawaii. Hawaii, come in from the surfing long enough to subscribe to my channel. Thanks. All right, guys, have a great evening, and I'll see you again tomorrow with a haul.